Hey guys! Back with another episode of Kathy Rain. And in the last episode, our best friend got kidnapped by this cultist asshole. Got freaking brainwashed. And I really want to punch him. Oh, stuff involving religious cults. Oh, makes my brain hurt. Makes me want to punch him repeatedly. In the face and other places, like his stomach or in the knee, kicking him right in the knee. Anyway, so there was one thing I forgot to ask him about, which was
We
this.
already talked about that.
Oh, which was kind of off screen, which involves the botany flower, which he uses to drug the missing people. So, yeah, I believe that's it.
I'm done here.
Good. Now go repent, sinner.
Piss off. Okay, so we got about the flower. Let's see what we can do.
Hey, Lenny.
Hello, Kathy.
No.
Well,
no,
gotta go.
Okay.
See ya.
Okay. So I got to talk to him about that. Maybe if we go back to that place, we can find out how to fix our friend. Grayed out for some reason. Okay. Nothing here. Shit. Okay. Where to go? I can try the graveyard or the church. Let's try the church because he's not there.
That grave is blank, probably reserved for future descendants. That grave is blank, probably. That grave. Isaac Jeremiah Price. The death date is left. Isaac Jeremiah Price, born March 3rd, 1959. The death date is left blank. Anybody home? Guess not. Locked. It's a simple tumbler lock.
I don't want to break into their house, but I have a feeling I need to. Painting's still here.
Yet another burial ground for those sweet, addictive... That must be Lily. She seems very happy looking up at the red man. Is this how Nathan still sees himself? As a little boy?
There's nothing else here. Not here for you, you asshole.
Do you recognize...
Matter of fact, I do. It's a local endangered plant with mild narcotic properties.
Yeah? Have you come across any users in the area?
Sure, but it's a bit tricky to do anything about it. Using it as a substance is technically illegal.
Ah, so the illegal part is picking it in the first place.
Yes, knowingly picking the flower is a crime, according to the Endangered Species Act of 1973.
Gotcha, thanks.
Okay, I realized what I had to do.
Okay, there's a place in town. Got the address, I should head over there.
There we go. God.
I can't open it with...
Let's try this first.
Doesn't fit. Must be for a different unit. doesn't fit.
There we
Aha.
go.
So that's where Grandpa's old uniform went. I wondered why I didn't see it in the attic. Just some old newspapers in those. Empty. Found a tape in there. There's also something else. A custody appeal form. For me? July 15th, 1981? I don't believe it. He tried to get me back from my mom. Right to the very end. Pull yourself together, Kathy.
Jesus.
Where is it? Was he trying to uncover something in these paintings? A bottle of paint thinner. This might come in handy. I don't believe this. They're ruined. He must have used that paint thinner on the paintings. That means there's only a single painting left. The one in the cabin. He must not have wanted anyone to learn the secrets of these paintings.
This is Joseph Rain. Operation Log, Part 4. August 8th, 1981. The area appears to be circular with along the outer perimeter. I've determined that some kind of endothermic reaction is taking place. So it's important to be observant of changes in temperature. Find the source. By severing the link, perhaps I can save them. Jimmy and all the others. Reoccurring dream. I'm standing in front of a huge black hole in a clearing in the woods. There's a man dressed in red, urging me to jump. I'm afraid to, but I take the plunge anyway. For some reason, I don't think I have anything to lose. As I'm falling, I reach for the parachute cord, but to my horror, there's nothing there. That's when I wake up.
I have more things to say.
Speak what you...
Why did you destroy Lily's paintings?
Is that what you think I did?
They looked pretty ruined to me.
Like an ignorant child, you look only to the surface and not on what lies hidden beneath.
Are you implying that the paintings contain some hidden message?
Lily was special in God's eyes. a chronicler, a bestower of wisdom. As an emissary of God, it is my duty to unlock the divine knowledge in her work for all of mankind.
I don't need to show. I'm done here.
Good.
Yeah, we kind of have to know.
Hi, Grandma. Listen, I found something in this storage unit.
Oh? What was it?
Custody papers with my name on them.
I was hoping you wouldn't have to see those.
I need to know what happened, Grandma.
Sharon was never a good mother to you, Kathy.
I know. It was the illness. She tried her best. It wasn't all bad.
You don't know the despicable things she and Brian did. Drugs, violence. We wanted something better for you. Joseph started talking to lawyers, staying up late at night on the phone, trying to find a way, some kind of loophole to get you back. But eventually we ran out of courts to appeal to, and your mother retaliated with a restraining order. And that was it. She had won.
I wish things could have been different.
I do too, dear. Every day. Now you're getting me close to tears. Let's talk about something else.
Okay, Grandma.
So, wow, I guess I really have to go and destroy that painting. Shit. I was really hoping not to. Because it feels like that's what it's implying. I'm gonna save before I do it, but I really hope I'm wrong.
Sorry, Sue.
God damn it.
A hidden picture. Oh my god, that's Nathan. He's holding a girl underwater. It must be Lily. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Lily wrote a suicide note, so either she planned this or saw it. Nathan is drowning Lily in the lake.
Nathan.
Nathan,
Yes?
I know about Lily, Nathan.
I like Lily.
Nathan, tell me what happened the day Lily died.
I don't know.
It's okay, Nathan. I'm a friend. I know the Red Man, too.
You do?
Yes, he told me to ask you about what happened to Lily. He said that you would tell me the truth, because you are honest. You're honest, aren't you, Nathan?
Lily was angry that time. Angry and sad. Mostly angry.
Why?
Angry with you?
Angry with everybody. Mama was asleep, Papa too.
Okay, what happened next?
Lily wanted to go down to the lake. She told me to hold her under the water for a while. She said I had to. She had painted it, and everything she painted was supposed to happen. I didn't want to, but Lily said she would tell Mama that I was bad if I didn't. But the Red Man says it was an accident, and that Lily is in a better place.
It's okay, Nathan. Lily was sick. It's not anyone's fault. When did you first meet the Red Man?
I don't know. I see him in the woods sometimes. He and Lily always fought.
They did. About what?
He wanted Lily to take her medicine.
What kind of medicine? Pills to make her less sad and angry?
I don't know. Just medicine. But you know what? It's okay. I still talk to her all the time.
You talk to Lily? And she talks back.
Yes?
Take me to her, Nathan. Take me to Lily.
You promise not to tell Mama?
I won't. I promise. Take me there.
Okay.
Oh boy. Little cat. Whoa!
See?
Get away from them, Nathan. They're dangerous.
No, they're nice. Look!
Maybe they can't affect him for some reason.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Poor little Mender met her end, witnessed so much she could not comprehend. Claimed by the lake, she screamed to her god, struggled for air as she twisted and clawed. But all was in vain, and her cries went unheard. 'Twas a heartbreaking theater of the absurd. There, you're being dramatic.
What the fuck?
No pain, no gain. At least that color looks good on you. Astute observation, Bill. This room does hold the key.
That log
Well,
cabinet.
then, it's been a pleasure talking to you.
Jesus.
What the fuck? Okay. Okay.
Nathan?
Uh-oh.
How long was I out?
Shit. Cabin. First the cabin. Is Nathan here? No, he's not here. Okay. I have to get to the church. Okay. So that creepy vision. Yeah.
A hidden safe. There's also a poem here written by Father Bill. I copied it to my notepad.
Okay.
I'm sure there's a hidden meaning in.
I lie in the center of the mask of the Lord. My wife gazes down. My sons stand below. I witness 3 dawns, felt warmth on my skin, the radiant bronze.
In the text, Father Bill's family members are used as reference points. Could he be referring to the physical layout of the graves? I copied the grave layout to my notebook next to the poem. Okay, these graves must somehow correspond to Father Bill's poem. Let's see if I can figure it out.
Ernest. I lie in the center of the mark of the Lord, my wife.
Of course! The sign of the Lord! Some of the graves can form the shape of a cross. Now, if I can only figure out which dates are relevant. Yes, that must be it. 3 dawns mean 3 births, and they're all adjacent to Father Bill's grave. I'm sure I'm close now. I just have to somehow narrow down these to the correct number of digits. From lasting to brief. Year, month, day. That's gotta be it.
Okay. 61/11/22.
Yes! Found a bunch of torn out Bible pages and a tape in there.
The mending is the sacred unity with God and the only way to reach true salvation. The Crimson One finds lost souls on behalf of God. Unshackled by time, he guides them and bestows wisdom upon them. He grants them dreams and visions, preparing them for the mending. The living menders must then descend upon the stairs of judgment. Each step reflects a piece of their soul. Then they must face their shadow self, a servant of God, who will oppose them at every turn. Lastly, the mender shall perform the 3 holy sacraments. To unite with God, 3 holy sacraments must be performed: the atonement of the Mother, the absolution of the Father, and the concentration of this for the Son. God shall gaze upon the mender, weigh their heart. The worthy shall be cleansed of sin and be allowed to reach unity. FB. The damned shall have their heart consumed and be cast into the abyss. That sounds a lot like Silent Hill 4. Okay.
This is William T. Price. My visions concerning my sons are troubling. I've watched them become corrupted with pride, turning their backs on our prophet, the Crimson One. I've seen the history of the church wiped clean, replaced with trickery and lies. This message is part of a fail-safe should these predictions come to pass. I've hidden it so that only the true agents of the old guard, selected by the Crimson One, may find it. Now, heed these words. You must stare into the abyss and let the abyss stare back into you.
What?
It's the only way to cleanse yourself of sin and achieve true salvation. May God be with you.
Okay. Did this open?
Locked.
God damn it.
Listen to this, Isaac.
This is William T. Price. My
What
visions
is this?
concerning my sons are troubling. I've watched them become corrupted with pride, turning their backs on our prophet, the Crimson One. I've seen the history of the church wiped clean, replaced with trickery and lies. This message is part of a fail-safe.
I don't believe it. Father saw all of this coming. God, have I strayed from the faith?
It's not too late to redeem yourself, Isaac. I've met the Crimson One. We're on the same side.
Preposterous. No one has witnessed that apostate since Father's death. I've been north of the lake, but he's nowhere to be found. He abandoned us all, and the divine work now rests upon my shoulders.
You believe that you are carrying out the work of the Crimson One?
Don't think I can't hear that mocking tone of yours. I will speak of this no longer.
He mentioned north of the lake. That's part of Conwell Woods. I'll probably have to narrow it down more, but it's something.
Father, have you abandoned me? I will atone for my sins. I swear it.
Oh no.
God have mercy on me.
Please don't tell me you're gonna kill yourself. I have to check. I gotta be sure. Okay, no. No, you're still alive. Good. Okay. You're an asshole, but I don't want you to die. Alright. So, a lot of stuff happened. I think I'm gonna call it quits for now. Holy shit. So, yeah. Anyway. I hope you guys liked this next episode of Kathy Rain. Oh boy, I have a feeling we're going to be getting some more insight to stuff soon. So yeah, see you all again next time. Bye guys.